Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you clean up your act. Well, at least your floors. Today, we're diving into a steam showdown between two heavyweights in the cleaning ring: the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop and the Steam and Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop. Buckle up, folks. This is going to be steam-tastic. First off, let's talk about price. BISSELL comes in at a whopping $164. Yikes! That's a price that might make you consider getting a second job just to keep your floors clean. Meanwhile, the Steam & Go is a steal at just $99. You could buy two of these and still have some cash left over for, I don't know, pizza? Because who has time to cook after all that cleaning? Customer reviews highlight that while the BISSELL is more expensive, many feel its performance justifies the cost, especially for those needing a versatile steam cleaner. In contrast, the Steam & Go is praised for its affordability and value, making it a favorite among budget-conscious shoppers. Now, let's see what each of these bad boys can do. The BISSELL is a powerful handheld steam cleaner and mop in one. It's like a cleaning superhero, swooping in to save your floors from the evil clutches of dirt and germs. It eliminates a staggering 99.9% of germs and bacteria, which is great if you're trying to impress your in-laws or just not get sick. Reviewers love its fast heating and versatility, but mention that it can become heavy during extended use. On the other hand, the Steam & Go is no slouch either. It's got a detachable base and 360 steam tool attachments. It's like the yoga instructor of steam mops, flexible and ready to bend in all the right places. Reviewers rave about its effectiveness on various surfaces and its lightweight design, making it easy to use. Let's talk reach. The BISSELL comes with a 25-foot power cord, perfect for those hard-to-reach spots. You can clean your entire house without ever unplugging. Just don't trip over the cord and take a tumble like I did last week. My cat is still laughing at me. Reviewers appreciate this long reach, making it convenient for larger spaces. On the other hand, the Steam & Go has a 20-foot power cord. It's like that friend who's really fun at parties but always leaves a little too early. Still, 20 feet is nothing to sneeze at. Users find it adequate for most cleaning tasks, but note that it requires careful planning to avoid frequent unplugging. Design-wise, the BISSELL is sleek and user-friendly. It even has an onboard storage kit for tools. You can carry your cleaning arsenal like a cleaning ninja. Just don't try to sneak up on your kids with it. They will not be impressed. Reviewers commend its design and ease of use, though some mention issues with durability over time. Meanwhile, the Steam & Go's innovative design is all about versatility. It's like the chameleon of steam mops. It can tackle all kinds of surfaces, and with its dual tank system, you can use detergent while you steam. Reviewers love its quality and ease of use, although some have reported concerns about the handle's durability. Overall, the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop is praised for its powerful cleaning capabilities and versatility, making it ideal for thorough cleaning. However, it comes with a higher price tag and some noted durability issues. In contrast, the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop is celebrated for its affordability, lightweight design, and effectiveness on various surfaces, though it may not be as robust as the BISSELL in some aspects. So which steam mop should you choose? If you're looking for a powerful, multifunctional cleaning machine, and you don't mind dropping a little extra cash, go for the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim. But if you're on a budget and want something that can tackle everything from floors to furniture, the Steam & Go 10-in-1 is your best bet. Remember, folks, cleaning doesn't have to be boring, just like this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share your own cleaning horror stories in the comments below. Until next time, keep it smart, keep it clean, and, most importantly, keep it fun. See you in the next video.